Welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel Joy, and today, if you haven't really done anything, let's just grab a glass of water. Did you know water is very healthy and very important for your skin to keep it glow and to keep it shine like you would like to shine? But before you grab a bottle of water, please, those who haven't subscribed, subscribe, like and share. Today we are going to talk about wrinkles. How do you get rid of wrinkles? These lines are the ones that I'm talking about under the eyes. The lines that are normally coming, that usually come in front of your face, everywhere, and around your lips or your mouth. If you do this, what I'm trying to advise you to do, you will take long to see them. Myself, I don't know what are wrinkles. I just know it, but I've never seen them on my skin. I'm like, okay, I hear it, but I don't know. Okay, well, let's get started. Number one, drink a lot of water. 1 liter, 1.5 liters a day. Why must you drink water? Oh my gosh, I don't really like to drink water. We don't know what is in teas, like other teas, what they put to have those flavors. So we are assuming, we are concentrating on drinking water. You can drink juice, but that's a supplement, like to add on. But please, do something for yourself. It's just water, drink it. You use it to shower, you want to be clean. Why not also clean inside your body? I am assuming you have used all the eye creams that I've just showed you. And these are basically most of the things that you might need to add into your daily routine. Unless if there is no sun, but in most cases, you're gonna need to protect your eyes such that they don't get stressed from the sun. Every time you're like, oh, it's too bright, or you're trying to create face expressions that are gonna have your face straight away to start having wrinkles. You will look very normal. You won't have any face expressions because your face is protected from UV, which is ultra, like it's very, very strong for the eyes. If you try to use this, I am telling you, you will take long to see the wrinkles. This is what we call broccoli. I know most of you know it, but it's okay. It's not gonna cost me anything to bring it here on my channel. I always eat a lot of broccoli. This will help my skin to run away from skin cancer. It's very important, and please use it in your daily ingredients. We have avocado. Avocado is very, very, very important for your skin, and it has very natural fats, better than those other fats. Like you can find other oils that are having other fat which are not so good for your skin, but anything to do with the fruits from plants is really gonna help you to those are natural ingredients. These are natural things, and they will really help you. I know what I'm talking about, so please try to include avocado. If you can't have avocado, at least I'm sure you will find carrots. You will find carrots in your supermarkets, or you might have gardens wherever. I don't know where you are in this world where you're living. Also try to have pumpkins. The pumpkins, I'm sorry I didn't find the way to find the pumpkin. Try to include citrus fruits, things that are very colorful. You can have these, the citrus. I like also what they call ginger. Yeah, ginger is very good. Also, it cleans in your stomach and your belly, and it will help in your digestion system. So I also just recommend this. Of course, if your digestion system has been cleared, everything will really be very fine, a nice thing. So the grapes will help to have like vitamin C, A, E, and it will help to renew the cells on your body. Also include the sweet potatoes in your diet, so that will it will help to the sunblock. If you're really looking for things to include, oh my god, what can I put in my daily routine, you can also include the red pepper, the bell pepper. That will also help to boost the vitamin C, and it will also help to create the collagen in your skin, and it will also help with the skin to look strong. Yeah, definitely. And also, don't forget to have dark chocolate. I have full milk chocolate, but I'm trying to say dark chocolate, not this one, but the dark chocolate. These are also some nice fruits for your skin. You can grab them, and if you can have them, why not? Just go for them. I also have almonds, which are very good for daily routine. You can just grab those who are always driving, you're always on the way, on the road. Just put some packs in your car. Anytime you feel like you're hungry, these are really nice tips to just, keep you going. And they are very healthy. You will see the results, trust me. Sometimes if I don't get a salmon, I go for the tinned ones, like the tuna fish. In German it's thunfisch, and these are also very healthy ones. But I know there are some people, those who don't like the smell of fish. No. You don't have to eat it. If you don't eat fish, don't eat it. But what you can do, look for other supplements, things that you can replace the fish, and try to eat those ones. I really recommend to have green tea. Green tea will help your skin hydrated. It will keep the hydration in your skin, and it is really okay. And for the day cream with the SPF, that will help the collagen in your skin tissue, and it will always be looking okay. And for the people who are smoking, please, you're not doing yourselves a favor. I am telling you guys, you're smoking at your own risk. If you're looking for wrinkles, please extend yourselves, not here and just move on another channel, but here we're trying to run away from wrinkles. Okay, if you want to smoke to run away from stress and everything, then drink. Help me, drink a lot of water, like this much. Then you can go and consult your doctor and ask them, I'm having wrinkles, I smoke, but what can I do? Such that you can also know what you're really supposed to do. Raquel is my name. Please, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you liked on how you can run away from wrinkles and always face expressions. Again, please, those who haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, and share. And I will be posting new videos every week, and please, thank you for watching.